So cleaning the airbrush is the most important thing, probably next to airbrushing itself. When performing a color change, it's good practice to perform the cleaning process as you would any final clean. First thing is to get all the paint out of the airbrush as quickly as possible by a pre-rinse and by using a brush to swipe out any paint inside here. Next, submerge the entire airbrush underwater and flush and back flush any paint out of the brush like so. I like to use a bucket to minimize any overspray that might be in the air. Do this 10 to 20 times by plugging and unplugging with your finger. This agitates any paint out of the airbrush body. Next, spray the airbrush out on a clean towel to check out any pigment that's still in the brush. If so, you can repeat this process again. And note, you may still have paint inside of the airbrush that's stuck on the needle, and you may need to pull out the needle to clear the paint from the needle housing and body of the airbrush. Everything looks good and clean. Now our next step is to change our color.